Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use sections and containers to create a structure for your web applications in the Designer module. We must first define the structure of our page. The interface menu on the left consists of two elements that will help us build the layout. The first element, section, will allow us to add new rows into the page. Sections are the backbone of a web page. Drag and drop the section module into the area where you want it to be placed. Once you place it, you can select the section to change its settings. A section will always come with a container module in it. Containers allow you to divide sections into vertical segments, but more on this later. To edit the section we've just placed, we need to click the outermost layer in this module. When selected, the section outline will become a dashed line. This will bring up the options menu on the right. From this menu, we can change the layout of the section and divide it into a maximum of 4 columns. The column structure will allow you to place containers into these subsections. The next option here is the style selection. Choosing from small, medium, or large well will determine the spacing between the section and the containers placed inside it. Finally, we have the option to adjust the visibility of this section to our end users. We can choose to hide this section indefinitely, or we can manage this by the value of a certain named range from our workbook. Selecting by value of will create a new input where we can select a field that must give a true or false result. If the target is true, then the section will be visible, and if it's false, it will be hidden. Once you're done, press Submit to save your changes. Containers work similar to sections. You can place more than one container into a section to add more rows. As with the section module, we can give containers a style to choose from 3 well options. Other modules placed inside this container will have outer spacing based on this selection. Containers can also be assigned a color style. The colors for these options will depend on what style sheets you are using. Just like a section, containers too can be made visible or hidden by changing this in the visible dropdown. Once you're done, again press Submit to save your changes.